This is Sunny, the pocket trader. The market just opened about 15 minutes ago, 4:30 a.m. Maui time. The market opens. That's 9:30 a.m. in New York, and let's look at what's going on. I've already traded one time early this morning during the pre-market. Let's see, Barnes and Nobles. Okay, this one is has 6.52 million shares being traded right now. It's moving really fast, so let's see if we can have an opportunity right here. Oh, that's just moving too fast. Oh, I think it's gonna go 260. Or maybe not. Yeah, that 250 is was look hitting resistance right now. Okay, so you can see the red volume right there, 5 minute chart. It's if it can't get over that, that's like a resistance. It's showing resistance right now. Let's see the other stocks. AGS. Let's see how's the volume here. 281,000 shares being traded. That's not the type of stock you want to be trading. If it was pre-market, then that volume is enough, but not during the market when the market is open. HGBL less than just over 500,000 shares being traded right now. That's, I guess it's okay, but let's check the other one. Yes, maybe this one. Let's take a look at this. MYPS. MYPS. Oh, that's even worse. The volume is just so low. AGS was just 287,000. Let me see. This might be something. Oh, take a look at this new one that came out. BON. Oh, that's very low volume. Or if not, we can look at, press the view all, and no, I don't see anything right now. We can take a look at this again. Five minute. Yeah, it's it's dropping. There's no sign of stopping right now, so it's not making any support or anything. Okay. Let's look at that stock we traded this morning. UNCY. See the volume on this? 13 million shares being traded. This one is a possible stock to jump back into. Okay, I'm jumping in again. Wait. If it shows that, I don't, I wanna look at this, and let's go with 500 shares. 229. Okay, will get executed in there. See our profit and loss early this morning. I jumped in. Uh, Here it was just a few minutes. 7:49. Uh, I guess that was New York time. That was like 3 a.m. this morning. 2:49 a.m. this morning, Maui time. So it says 07:49, and then I got out at 07:57. So that was less than 10 minutes. So we made like 44.82, $44. Oh, right there, we're up again. So on C, we just jumped in, and we're already up right there. 228. I jumped in. We're up 10 cents. Let me see. Let's go look at the 20 minute. Let's go look at the 10 minute. So far so good. It's looking good. I think it can go back to 250. So this trade is so far so good on our chart. Yeah, I think 240. It's gonna hit 240 at least. 240. Maybe I'll go for 245. I'll go look at. So immediately you can there. It's already up like $40. So that's separate from the trade I did earlier. 245 set, sell to close, maybe two, let's say 242 for now. We can drag it. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna hit. Oh, right there, it's filled. So it got filled, and so we're out. I was gonna put 250, but I just wanted to get the gain. So right now we traded this stock two times, and both profitable trades. And so we'll see. So today's gain is already 110. Not like last week. Last week I felt really terrible. I I didn't do a good job, and I didn't look at uh like looking at it for the like right setups and things. My swing trade on WW is negative right now, and but still we're still up. It's showing that we're still up like 93.77 this morning. Today's gain, and for the 5 days we're a realized of 119 right now. So I got one more day trade um, today. If I don't see any good trades, then that's it until next week Friday. Or well, if I save that last day trade I have, then I'll be able to have one on Monday. Otherwise, if I see another opportunity, I'm gonna just jump in again with no hesitation. So this stock UNCY, see it's back down. I sold at 242. So let's look at the profit and loss. Um, 4 5 days there. So I did the same thing, like 500 shares during the pre-market. I bought it at 241, sold it at 250, and then that trade that I just did, that was 49, 50, 51. That was only 2 minutes. So that last trade I did, I bought at 228 and sold at 242. And I'll show you where I am right now. You can see that I'm at the Blazing Steak restaurant, and I'm just using my phone. There's no laptop here, so this is that's why I call it pocket trading, because all I use is my cell phone with internet. And I that last trade, it only lasted 2 minutes. So as soon as I put the order in, I sold immediately. You see, you can see the timestamp right there. 9:49. This is New York time. It's showing. The market just opened like about 30 minutes ago, like 4:30 a.m. in Maui, and that was about 30 minutes ago. That's 9:30 a.m. in New York. So right there, 9:49, and then I was out 9:51. So right now, I don't even want to look. Once you get your gain, then that's it for now. And I guess unless something pops up, something good, otherwise you have to look if there's enough volume. Like, well, this could be a possibility, like JF. Okay, let's look at this JFBR. It's moving right now. It's it's very extended now. Let's see if there's any dip or it's too extended. That's too risky. That red candle right there, that would have been the place to buy, somewhere there around the 150 mark. So right now it's very extended and it's too risky. If you jump in and it flushes, then you're gonna be, yeah. If you do scalps, you have to use the 1 minute chart there. You could buy really quick 173 and then sell at 175. But the bid and ask, the spread is too wide. So this stock is very risky. This is like, if you look at the bid and the ask, so 175, that's when you buy, and then when you sell, it's gonna be like lower, 173. But so your 175, if you buy in 175, you'd have to sell way higher to make a profit, because the bid and the ask, there's a spread on it. So to get not so you won't get any like FOMO. This stock is too risky where it's at. I wouldn't look at it before you get lured into jumping in at the wrong time and you lose money. Yep, that's very extended. You have to wait for a pullback, or at least it consolidates sideways for a while. You need to see the new hourly candle and see where it opens. or let me see, 20 minute, yeah, even this 20-minute candle, if it can open with green volume, then that's when it can get interesting. But right now it's still on that same candle right there, 10 minute and 20 minute. And even this, wow, no, I wouldn't do anything. That's very extended unless it passes through that 20-minute candle, and then if the price can hold, then you can let's look at that again. Here, if a new candle opens up, oh, right there, that's a new candle right there. So that's where you can determine a risk. So right here, if it goes, let's say you have to put a mental stop loss at least. You don't want this thing getting away from you. So if you jump in at 170, you have to determine how much you're willing to lose. Like 165, like a nickel, you could wait. Let's check the shorter time frames. No, see, it's still red. So this, uh, no, it's still dropping. No, no, you have to wait until that price stabilizes and goes green. That's the 5 minute candle. See these candle, they're still selling off. You can see the price, it's red, and the volume is red. So there's the sellers are still coming in. Until buyers start coming in, you wouldn't want to be a buyer because the sellers are in control. Yeah, the seller is still in control until that those candle and the price start growing going green. You have to wait till this 5 minute candle closes. You can't just jump in anywhere, and you can't just rely. See, this earlier the 20-minute candle was green, but now you would have been out at a loss, and you have to keep an eye on the time frames, and you have to be patient. So there's no trade on this right now, but the opportunity can come in the blink of an eye. So that's just how the stock market is. Here's a stock just came in, MMMB, 22,000. Nope, I don't want to be trading something like that. Don't. What happened to the other stock we were looking at? This one has 300,000 volume. That's at least decent. But the charts doesn't look so good. It gapped up, and the price, there's a wide amount of the price range it moved, but it doesn't look so. I don't like price action like that. It looks really slow. What was that? Uh, let's take a look at UNC again. UNCY. What is it doing now? Okay. Oh shucks. I think we missed I don't know if we missed anything, but oh, not really. I don't know. I think it wants to go higher. Still green volumes coming in right there. So oh shucks. I think I should have jumped in at 35. 40. Can I jump in again at 40? Just press back and press trade again. Oh, jump in at 500 shares. Uh, 242. Come on. Okay. Come on, let me in. Let me see, bid and ask. It's 1 cent difference. So, oh, come on. Let me in. Yes. I'm right there, within range of letting me in. There, 242. There, I'm filled. Okay, I got 500 shares again. This would be the third time I'm trading this, so I think I didn't determine my risk. I thought this has a really good chance of passing through 250. So I'm in at 242 with 500 shares. This stock is a good stock to trade because there's like 20 million shares being traded right now, and it seems like the buyers are still very strong. Okay, I better look at my risk. I was just thinking of getting in. So let me see. Well, that doesn't look good. It's turning red. I should my risk should be 230, 240, 230 maybe. Usually these candles are so wide that well, that would be quite far down if I make my stop below $2.15. That would be a big loss. But when I jumped in with no hesitation, I just didn't want to miss out. I think it can pass through $2.50 again. See, earlier in the pre-market, that candle, that was where I jumped in and out with that was a less than 10-minute trade. The last Friday, how I got the loss was I had my ride share on, and I had a ride request, and I went out on the road, and by the time I looked at it, it was the trade was out of control. So that's what happened. It was only, I think, 40 shares, but it went down like several dollars. Okay, this thing is let me see if I can get 3 wins on this stock. I should turn off the light here in the restaurant, and I just had to get some meat out that I have to slice later on. Oh no, the price is dropping. Okay. $2.40. Let me see. I'll make sure I closed everything there. I guess my most logical stop loss would be around below $2.15, because if the hourly chart, it shows more of where the support is at. Once it passes through that, then it's really out of control, and that would be risking too much if I just expect it to go up from there. That wouldn't be trading with discipline. That's what usually happens when if I let it get away, then that could go out of control and lose a lot. Oh, let me see. So 32, we're down nearly 10 cents. And that would be wiping out most of the gains I got from that stock. Let's see what it's doing now. On the 20-minute chart, it's still red. So the sellers came in and tried to take it down. The hourly chart, it's still green, so but this stock is running out of time. If the bears can depress it, so there's a resistance right there at the price levels around 245. So kind of stuck right now, thinking if uh, price went below 230 and like the price is above that right now, so it's still, the bulls are still fighting. I don't even have a sell order right now because I expected this to pass through the resistance area of the 245. Let's see what's the loss on this. If I took the loss right now, it would be $44, so it would have taken half of what I made from it this morning. I'm Yeah, so basically if I let it go down below $2.15, that would have wiped out all my gain from today. And then if I take the loss right now, it's not yet within the support area, but let me see. Let's go back to the quote. Let's see. Let's look at the 5-minute. It's still all red, although it's building a support on that spot right there, just right there, just below the 230 level. 227, that could be my new stop below, like around, if it reaches 225, like using this 5-minute time frame, that would be like that would also be a logical spot to take a loss if it price goes below 225. Well, what should I do now? I got my breakfast sandwich here. I have a tuna sandwich here. I have my tuna sandwich right here. I got my tea. I have a like a jasmine tea. I put something in here, but I think it's like that was unsweetened tea in there. Well, this is also unsweetened tea, but this one is hot. I just made this morning. And let's go back what that stock is doing. Okay. I'm still at the parking lot of the Blazing Steak. This is the Wailuku Industrial area. There, across the parking lot is the McDonald's, and around the corner here, is Pizza Hut. I'll show you. There, right there, their sign. Right there, Pizza Hut. And there's a Chinese restaurant down there and like a barber shop. That's all there is, and Blazing Steak is right on this corner right here. Let's see what the stock is doing. Still at, oh, if you hear that, that's like chickens out here in the bushes. Let me see. There's the chickens in the parking lot. Chickens are everywhere in Maui. Out in the wild, out in the parks, out in the like malls. They're just all over the place. Okay, it's going green again. So this trade is now at the positive area. It's looking good. I really think it can go over 250. I think. Or I could call it, I could just put a 245 order. I can get executed soon if I do that. I'm just gonna put a 250 order and drag it up and down if I have to. Or 247. Okay, 247, not quite 250 because there's like a resistance. Or tree. Okay, it's nearing that. That's like the resistance area. We were in at 242. Jeez. I don't want to be just waiting around here. I haven't done any rides or anything yet. I've I've washed my car actually very early this morning. Oh, there it's near the, it's gonna get sold. I want to drag it higher, but there's a resistance right there. I know it can pop up and then drop back down, or it can pop up and keep going. Well, this trade is I'm sure it's over 10 minutes now. Jeez. I don't want to go out there, start driving, and then something happens. Listening to some classical music in my car, in my van. Oh, what else? Oh, there's this guy. He's called the Relentless Trader. They got a free chat over here. Look at this guy showing how much he made. Wow, he did pretty good. 594. He made 525 on UNR, and he made FRC. He made $77, and then he lost 948 on OCEA. I think that was yesterday. Those stocks were trading very well. Oh, he probably made that money today. LUNR, they're trading LUNR. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. LUNR. Wow, that was a volatile. That was a nice big move on the open. And now that stock is just drifting down. Oh, look at that. Nice. Wow. From a low of 15, around 15, all the way to as high as like nearly $20. And I'm on this stock here trying to finish off a profitable week. Put a sell order at 247. Oh, 100 shares got filled, and I think it's right there. It's hitting it, and but it's not getting filled. Only 100 shares got filled so far. But oh, there it goes. It oh there I'm out. So profitable week there. It did go right there. Now it goes through 250. That was my original plan, but well, it's probably gonna go way higher now. It's looking good. Okay, that concludes this week's trading. As a pocket trader, I'm in my van. I'm gonna go start doing some Uber and Lyft, and make at least doing Uber and Lyft. It's like you can make money, and but trading the stock market, you can't always win every week or every day. Let's see how much we made on UN. This is all. This is the only stock we traded. This so we made a total of 135 on um, that stock. So $135. I didn't sweat. Maybe I got nervous and kind of putting money at risk, but that's how much I made. I traded it one, two, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. This one lasted 20 minutes from 10:06 all the way to 10:26. Let's see where it's at right now. The quote, there it's at 48.50. It's too scary to sometimes, even just getting like a small bite. You make a little money. That's okay. So that was only like 5 cents. Yeah, 5 cents on 500 shares. So this three trades, buy sell buy sell buy sell, it amounted to $135. The same stock. I'm sure there's gonna be more opportunities today, but um, I don't have any more day trades. I don't wanna lose more money trying to swing trade like this Weight Watchers here, WW. I'm gonna keep on holding that stock even if I have to hold it long term. I'm not gonna. I'm determined to take a gain on that stock. This one, look at that. So my average is 558, and now it's like 457. So that's like a dollar loss on 50 shares. So I'm down like nearly about $50. So I just took a small position on that. I usually take small positions on swing trades, so that's the reason why you still can lose a lot of money. If this, like that other stock I traded, I forgot the symbol, but it went down like $5 or probably more. Even though like if I'm buying a small amount of shares and it goes against me, then it's not so good. You still lose couple $100. So I always tell myself to stop doing swing trades because eventually I might give up and take a loss. But I think with this one, I'm gonna be determined. I'm gonna just hold this thing down, and we'll continue to just day trade and build this account. See right there, my open loss on that. My buy and sell. I was profitable on this trade from 6.75, and then I sold at 6.94, and then I bought below 6, and then my stop loss was supposed to be just like 5.90, but I couldn't get out because I didn't have a day trade. And then I ended up buying at 5.32 to average down, like bringing my cost down from nearly $6 to 5.58. And now I'll let this stock go up and down and wait till it becomes profitable. So that's it for this week. I won't be having any more opportunities. I used up all my day trades, and that's it. That's all I got. I just only traded this stock right here, UNCY. I traded one during the pre-market before I left my house, and then I traded two more time like I showed you. So this is Sunny, the Pocket Trader. I'll see you again next week. And if you don't see any videos of like the whole Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's because it's so frustrating to not be able to trade. When I don't have a day trade, there's no motivation to look at the market. But I'll try to log on next week, and we can see the possible trades to take. And Friday, next Friday, then we'll be able to do more live day trading using the phone. Look at that, it's UNCY, it can go to 260. Anyway, that's it for now. Again next week. All right, aloha.